Up YouTube, J-Dub here, and I'm posting a new video for you guys today because I've been posting some videos recently about my Wrangler, and I've had a few people ask me, a few questions about it, so I wanted to answer those today. And the answer is, most answered is yes, I am doing a Jurassic Park Jeep conversion for my small business Dubs Entertainment Services. And a lot of people are like, well, what makes a Jurassic Park Jeep a Jurassic Park Jeep? So I'm going to try to answer some of those questions today. So stay tuned. Remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more updates on the Jeep, the DeLorean, and whatever else. Stay tuned. Right here we have my 94 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. So, like I said, one of a bunch of questions that I got is, what makes a Jurassic Park Jeep a Jurassic Park Jeep? Well, it's pretty simple. The Jeeps used in the films, the original Jurassic Park movie, and even the new Jurassic World, were 1992 Jeep Wrangler Saharas. Saharas are basically noted by a couple of different little things. They were the highest option Wrangler you could get back in the day for a YJ, and there were some options that came along with those, pretty much standard, that were optional on most other Jeeps, being things like fog lights, these paint schemes here, and probably one of the most recognizable features, of course, the trail cloth seats. Now, the Sahara also came standard with things like the 4-liter inline 6, the straight 6, that's, just famous Jeep straight 6. So that's basically the nuts and the bolts of it. So what makes a Jurassic Park Jeep a Jurassic Park Jeep? Well, I'm going to try to answer a few of those questions today. As you can see, I do not have the correct fog lights. The original fog lights, factory fog lights, have become very, very difficult to find, and if you do find them, they're either very expensive, and it's hard to find them in good condition at that. Mainly being the plastic gets old, it gets brittle, and they break, and a lot of people, being that it's a Jeep culture, upgraded their fog lights for a more powerful fog light. Obviously, this is a Sahara, so I've already got half the battle won. Some guys are trying to do these conversions with Jeeps that are not Saharas, and they got to go all crazy out. Now, as you can see, this is a soft top, just like in the movie. This is a soft top. This is a factory soft top. Spice is the color, so I already have the half doors, obviously, being that it was factory. I already have the correct green interior doors with the pouches. And as you can see, like I was just saying, the trail cloth seats. Now, these were only available in the Sahara. So these seats are very difficult to find in good condition. As you can see, even my driver's seat's a little faded. I got a little cut there. I'm thinking about having it reupholstered, but I don't know. We haven't gotten that far. You can also distinguish it. Let's see if we can go in the back here. You can also distinguish it by the pouches on the back of the seats. Those gray pouches, that's part of it. Now, obviously, the back seat as well has the trail cloth material. Now, on mine, a few things that I got to do that the previous owner changed was I need the bumperettes. This is going to get a whole new frame, so we're going to do that at the time. So, another thing of the Sahara is the steering wheel, leather wrapped with the leather going down the 3 spokes of the steering wheel. That's a Sahara trait. And as you can see, the sound bar, original to the Jeep, and also the Spice roll bar padding. Now, I need to put new roll bar padding in here because this stuff's kind of dated and it's old and it's starting to tear. So, that's how it is. So what else do you need to make a Jurassic Park Jeep? Well, one of the first things I probably should have said is YJ. This is the model of Wrangler, square headlights. That is probably one of the big things you're going to need. Here is probably one of the more distinguishing factors that you'll have. That is a original Mopar accessory light bar. This light bar was available from Mopar back in the day, and it is same light bar that is used on the Wranglers in the movie. As you can see, it's got these tabs back here for light mounting. Now, these in the movie were actually filed off, And this is obviously going to be all painted red just like in the movie, but it's a 3-piece, as you can see. Now the ones in the movies were welded, an inch it got cut off here, and then they welded this to the bottom piece. Don't know if I'm really going to have to do that or not. It looks pretty good the way it is. But they also filed down these tabs, except for the one, I think it's the model 29, that they actually had to put an additional light platform across there to fit those big Jabasco. Basically, you're going to need a platform going across the entire top of the tabs there to sit those big ass Webasto marine lights. So that's basically what else is making a Jurassic Park Jeep, guys. Well, you got the KC Highlight amber fog lens. Sorry, I screwed that up. The KC amber. Fan theory is that they are actually mounted to the tub, but most guys just mount them right on top of the lens. Makes it easier. You don't have to drill any more holes in your tub than you absolutely have to. I mean, you're already drilling one in here for the antenna, so why add to it? The KC highlights that you have to get for this are very expensive. They're very hard to find. They haven't made them in a long time, so yeah. There are a few other options out there. I know the guy who's going to be helping me with the paint job on this is going to be giving me some ideas. I do have a backup set of amber fog lights somewhere in the garage there that are basically going to be a backup in case the original plan doesn't work out, and those are pretty close to what you need. So those are, like I said, they're expensive when you find them, and they're hard to find in good shape. All right, so obviously paint is probably one of the biggest things that you recognize on the Jurassic Park Jeep. The Jeeps that were used in the movie were original factory sand beige with a Ford red racing for the stripes coming down here and the number and all that other stuff. So that's definitely going to be the hardest part, because paint is not cheap, it's not easy, and so that's going to take some time, and that's basically what I'm waiting on after I do the frame swap on this. It's going to pretty much get, going to be counting the days to get it painted. The winch was a Ramsey REP 6000. Unfortunately, that's another one of those things that they have not made in a very long time, and when you do find them, they're expensive, and to find them in good shape is even more difficult. So obviously the winch will mount here. The winch plate is still available. I don't know where my tow hooks are. Sahara's came with tow hooks standard, and at some point or another somebody took them off of mine. Obviously, as I already said, I need the fog lights, the original Sahara fog lights. I do have a set that are very, very, very similar to the original stock ones. So those will probably be what I end up using unless I can find another set along the way. Obviously, things I've already done to this Jeep include the new top, as I've already said in a prior video. The original top was just in real bad shape, guys. Not in super great shape. So I replaced it with a Spice top, which is original to the Wrangler. So one other thing, SRT4. One other thing that I do have, they're just not on the Jeep, are the wheels. Okay, so as you can see, I have a bunch of them. There's 4 back there. These are the 5-spoke. I have shit, I don't know. I think I have 7 total, I have 8 total, which sucks because that means I'm gonna. These were original to the Wrangler when I bought it, so, but I do have the wheels like I just showed you, but I only have 8 of them, which means I got to take one as a spare, which means I'm gonna have 3 left over, which I don't know how many people are looking for 3 of them, so that's gonna kind of suck. But anyway, obviously those will be painted red with the when the whole conversion comes down to it, guys. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the Wrangler so far. It's not coming along quite as quickly as I was hoping, but as parts build up and things get put on the back burner, so didn't this thing. So, but I did get it running again. It's running really good. I'm really happy with it. So hopefully we can get the frame swap eventually, and yeah, get going on the paint job so the conversion is done. Now I want to do a more in-depth video of the Wrangler. It's just a YJ, but oh, here you go. I'll show you this real quick. Here's the ball mount and spring for the whip antenna. The whip antenna's up there. Set this huge ass long fucking box, huge, and so yeah, that's all mounting hardware there and everything. But anyway, so we're getting there for sure. But I want to do an actual review of the actual Wrangler in its glory, of how it was originally and all that, and I'll be posting videos of that. If you can, leave a comment. Let me know anything you guys want to see. If you have any questions about the Jurassic Park Wrangler and YJs in general, I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. I appreciate you guys watching the videos. More to come. I'll see you next time, guys. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up, help me out here. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm trying to post more videos of updates and what's going on with the Wrangler and the DeLorean and anything else that's going down. So, I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching.